Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. We enjoyed a beautiful trip to Las Vegas, Los Angeles and Antelope Canyon, Arizona. In this video, I will share my memorable experience of Sin City, Las Vegas. We stayed in Las Vegas for 3 nights in different hotels. To share the grand experience of Grand Canyon South and West Rim, Skywalk, Hoover Dam, Paris Hotel, Caesar Hotel, Vegas Strip View and the Venetian Hotel, I prepared 2 videos, Las Vegas Part 1 and Las Vegas Part 2. Please follow both videos to get a proper picture and tour plan of Las Vegas. First night, we stayed at Paris Hotel. It is our room view. It's the view from our room window. It is a huge hotel staffed with lots of restaurants, nightclub, bar, shops and casino. Huge casino section was almost filled with lots of tourists. It's the view from the first floor of Paris Hotel. The time was 10 p.m. then. We decided to enjoy the Las Vegas Strip view and Bellagio Hotel view first. Then we'll enjoy our hotel. This is our Paris Hotel Eiffel Tower view from outside. This is the famous fountain show of Bellagio Hotel. We entered in Bellagio Hotel. This is the famous horse of Bellagio Hotel. Hotel Bellagio is decorated in elegant style. They were celebrating Chinese New Year, hence the hotel was decorated in that pattern. The marvelous decorations blowed away our heart. After enjoying the Vegas Strip view and Bellagio Hotel, we came back to Paris Hotel and had Chinese dinner. Next day, we bought tickets to enjoy the whole Las Vegas view from the top of the Eiffel Tower. We were enjoying the amazing view for some time. The city was surrounded by the mountain ranges on all sides. Las Vegas is an internationally renowned major resort city, known for its gambling, shopping, fine dining, entertainment and nightlife. Different hotels like our Paris Hotel, Caesar Hotel, Cosmopolitan Hotel, Bellagio Hotel along with its fountain view, road view, Vegas Strip view. In one word, the whole city view was great. Las Vegas serves as the leading financial, commercial and cultural center for Nevada state. It has become a popular set of literature, films, television programs and music videos. From there, we headed to Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is a world-famous dam in the Black Canyon of Colorado River. This is the Colorado River. There is a visiting center. It's free to walk or drive across Hoover Dam and reach. It has a helicopter tour to enjoy the river and dam thoroughly. From Hoover Dam, we went to Page and visit Antelope Canyon, Arizona. You can get all details about Antelope Canyon from my Antelope Canyon tour video. While returning from Page, we drove through south rim of Grand Canyon. The road view was awesome. heavenly scenic beauty. We were amused by the magnificent outside view. To enter the south rim of Grand Canyon with car, you need to pay Grand Canyon National Park entry fees, which is valid for 7 days. It has different beautiful peaks. Grand Canyon National Park, beautiful trails such as Bright Angel Trail, Rim Trail, Hopi House, Lookout Studio, Grand Canyon Visitor Center, etc. During drive-through South Rim, you can park your car near numerous scenic viewpoints. This is Yavapai Point. It's splendid. We were engaged with the stunning views. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. I will wait for your like and comment. If you like my video, please share it to others. I am sharing some of my beautiful tour links in my description box. Please check those. We tried to cover every point, but we couldn't as we were running behind time. At last we reached our main destination, Mather Point. The mind-blowing view captured us there for some time. From here, we started our journey to Las Vegas. You can follow my next video, Las Vegas Part 2, for total information. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.